Hello everyone. Are you wondering what bet means? Let's explore. Bet is a slang term used to express agreement, confirmation, or acceptance, similar to saying okay or sure. It's often used in casual conversations to indicate that someone is on board with a plan or understands what's being said. The term can also carry a tone of challenge or encouragement, depending on the context. For example, if someone says, "I can finish this task in an hour," replying with bet could mean you believe them and are confident they will succeed. Bet has become a versatile term in modern slang, conveying a range of affirmations or responses that are generally positive and straightforward. In essence, saying bet is about giving a quick, enthusiastic nod of approval or confirmation. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.